Hello guys, today I want to show you how we can calculate in Coreldraw. So first come to the unit here, click on inches, and then if you see from this section here, let me highlight it so that you can see there. Yes, if you come to this section here, you are allowed to make your necessary calculations there. So for instance, let's under here you can come. So that is under your unit here where you are seeing 8.26, and then the next one you are seeing that. Then make sure you change your unit form to inches. So from this inches now you go to, so from here that you are having 8 plus, you can make additions, but when you press plus 10, let's say 1 2, that is 10, if you click on enter, it automatically added it to the units available there. And then you can still do the same for the next one. We have 11 point, this is what is there, this is 11.693. then from there you can make your calculations, and then let's say we are adding plus 78, you click enter, it has already added. If you can see from here, let me zoom it in, it has added to this figure. And then you have something very, very important. So anytime you are taking measurements like this and you don't want to calculate, just go ahead, input the addition you want to make, and then you are good to go. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.